Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator. Getting started with WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator. In this video, we will explore the WooCommerce Measurement Price Calculator plugin. This plugin helps you sell products based on measurements such as length, weight, area, or volume. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Products tab. In Products General, scroll down to Measurements. First, let's understand what this plugin does. It allows you to sell products based on two ways: quantity-based mode and user-defined mode. In quantity-based mode, customers buy fixed quantities like boxes and tiles. And in user-defined mode, customers enter custom measurements such as fabric by the yard. This is perfect for products sold by the foot, square meter, or kilogram weight units. Here you can set the units for measuring weight, such as kg, gram, ton, or lbs dimension unit. Here, you can set the unit for measuring dimensions such as kilometer, meter, centimeter, or millimeter. Area unit. Here you can set the unit for measuring area such as square kilometer, square meter, and square centimeter. Volume unit. Here you can set the unit for measuring volume such as liter, milliliter, or gallon. Once the settings are added, click on Save Changes. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on All Products. Now edit a product. Once you are in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on Measurement. This is where you enable the calculator for the product. You can choose the measurement types such as dimensions, area, perimeter, surface area, volume, weight, or room walls. And that's it. In this video, you have learned the purpose of the plugin, how to set default units, and explored the measurement tab. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital